And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a simple calendar icon. Let's start with a rectangle. Just freeform drag and you will see this circle right here. Give it a slight curvature. We will add another rectangle. Let me give that a different fill color so that we can see it. And I want to adjust the curvature so that we've got these sharp corners. I'll reposition it. Now select everything, object, align and distribute. Put it to the center, just like this. Once again, select it all, path and difference. So this creates a cutout. We need the rectangle tool again. Give it a slight curvature. Then Ctrl D to copy it. I give that copy a different color. And then I'll put it to the bottom. Now I go to path and dynamic offset. And I want to adjust the offset. Let's disable the snapping for now. Something like this should be fine. Select it all, so these two elements, then Ctrl D, drag a copy to the right hand side while holding Ctrl. You can select it now, press Ctrl G and put it to center. But that's too much of a gap, so let me press Shift Ctrl G to ungroup it, and I'll reposition this one on the right hand side. I select it all again, Ctrl G to group. Shift click on the black one and put it to the center once more. Now select the outer red one, shift click on the black one, path and difference to create this cutout. And I give the remaining red the black color. I repeat the process on the right hand side. Now let's give it a number. We've got the 23rd, so let's use 23. But maybe I'll transform it a little bit. And now let's use the type tool, 23, and I use a different font. Something that's bigger. Maybe this one. That should be fine. When I resize it, I will control. Shift click on a black element and put it to the center. Select it all, Ctrl G to group it. And we'll create a background, a simple circle. Use the ellipse tool, hold Shift and Ctrl when you drag it. Let me give it a different fill, and I use the top menu to put it below the calendar. I'll size the calendar down, holding Shift and Ctrl. And now I'll select it all, put it to the center. I don't need this menu anymore, so let me close it. And I want to use different colors. Press Ctrl R if you can't see your rulers. When you can drag these guides out of there. Enable the snapping again, and we need snap to pass. Position the guides just like this. So they will be our guides for the shadow line. We need to find the right positions. This is the final one. And now we only have to use the Bezier tool. Left click and follow your guides. You may have to zoom here and there. Make sure to close the path and make sure that the shape is outside of the circle fully. Give it a fill, put it below the icon. Now shift click on the big circle, path and division, and we can give this a different color to indicate a shadow element. Edit, delete all guides. Once again select it all, Ctrl G to group it. And this is how you can create such a simple calendar icon in Inkscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.